I'm gonna vlog like this and Photoshop a train behind me. Okay, hello my fellow YouTube friends. I'm gonna do a video because I really haven't done a proper vlog, because I usually vlog about something. I don't just vlog, and today I'm just vlogging. Oh yeah, Ashley, by the way, this is your toothbrush. Okay, so today I don't know what I'm doing. I just decided to pick up the camera and just do whatever I'm doing. We're gonna take a yard tour. So this is our bonfire pit. This is a toolbox. Got all my bike stuff. That's a derailleur. These are not really made to be fixed. Like, you're supposed to buy a new one. The problem was it's bent in a couple of spots and chain's getting caught on it. It's also a bike tire. This is my bike. The problem with my bike is the reason why this broke is because I had a crash and it kind of bent it. I don't know. I don't really know how to explain it, but all you need to know is this is bent and the hanger's bent.
The next day.
So, how's your day been going? Ooh, Josh is in a good mood.
Yeah, because I'm cold. And what?
Roll your sleeves
And
down.
I have too much homework to do.
Oh my god.
I gotta edit videos. I gotta do Photoshop for school. I gotta make a phone case of dog shit.
First of all, roll down your sleeves.
No, I look
Okay.
cool this way.
You look like a lumberjack.
It's also dog shit.
That's a walnut.
We're going on an adventure. No, God! Jump to the sky. No, God, please, no! No! Little Einstein. No! Get ready to explore. No! I don't know what this video became, but now we're walking on the tracks. We're rebels.
I'm Radio Rebel!
Here, let me serve you bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. Look at T-Series, they just crying for their mama. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-Series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna.
Whoa! Whoa!
I'll be damned.
If we were any closer, we would be fucked. Oh.
Me sideways.
What are we doing now?
Walk-ins with Josh and Ashley. Ashley's the main person here, obviously.
Mom, please. Idiot. Three? They want to get rid of their own child? This is abuse.
Let's go.
Come here, come here, come here. We could be a basic bitch today.
Oh my gosh.
I love Starbucks.
It's amazing.
I love caffeine.
At my house.
I'm one of those.
You little grown-up. You're growing up so fast. Doggo! Are you Chloe? Stop, you sounded gay. Or than Stephen Hawking trying to run a auto race.
Oh my god.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me.